trouble.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at Solana. It's currently ranked 10th on CoinMarketCap. Over 1.8 million people have Solana on their watch list. With a market capitalization of over $6 billion. Solana in the last 1 week dumped by 22%. In the last 1 month, it saw a 26% decline. On the yearly time frame, Solana is down 53.2%. But it's not just Solana alone. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Last week saw a lot of altcoins having double-digit losses. The SEC sued the two biggest exchanges in the cryptocurrency space, Coinbase and Binance. And in those lawsuits, they name a bunch of projects as tokens. They name a bunch of projects as securities, and Solana was one of them. In this video, we're taking a look at the Solana US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. Is the bear market bottom in for Solana? Should we expect Solana to continue dumping to Goblin Town, or are we gearing up for one big pump to the upside? Will Solana find support before we get to that $8 region? We'll also take a look at Solana's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll finally look at the Solana's market cap chart. Where is Solana heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Altcoin market over the last 1 week saw huge dumps to Goblin Town. A lot of tokens saw 20, 30, some even saw 40% dumps to Goblin Town. Chaos in the cryptocurrency market. We're close to the bear market bottom. That's what you expect. A lot of fraud getting people to sell their coins for cheap. Now, Solana is going through its first full crypto bear market. Solana was one of the biggest gainers in the previous bull run. But in this bear market, Solana has lost more than 96% of its value, even dropping to as low as $8. Solana dropped to $8 on the last day of 2022. Very befitting. We started 2023 on a very bright note where we saw Solana rally up to higher prices, pumping by more than 250%. But that rally has ended since February of 2023. Solana has basically just been going sideways ever since then. We spent around 144 days just moving in this 27% range. We pumped up by around 20%. We dumped by around 25%. But the last 1 week saw Solana making a huge move to the downside. Solana went from as high as $22, even dumping to as low as $13. A 39% dump to Goblin Town over 1 week. All coins can be very volatile, and that's why you need to be careful with all coins deep in the bear market. But it's not all doom and gloom for Solana. As we're dumping to Goblin Town, we found support around the $13 to $14 region. And if you take a look at what Solana did ending 2022, we thought the $13 and the $14 region was the bottom for Solana before we finally had that cap plunge down to Goblin Town that took Solana to the $8 region. I saw a lot of people on Twitter predicting we'll see Solana at $4, $5, maybe even lower than $3. But guys, what if the possibilities of the bottom being in for Solana are thrown? Because right now, Solana is finding support around that $14 level. And if you go back in time, you see that before Solana started pumping to new all-time highs, or before Solana continued pumping to new all-time highs in April of 2021, we found support around that $14 to $13 region. It's just coincidental that deep in the bear market, as we're dumping to Goblin Town, Solana also found support there. So now 3 different actions have happened at that $13 to $14 level, which is making me to believe that maybe, just maybe, we should pay attention to that level. Because if the bottom is in for Solana, this might be the last opportunity you have to get some for cheap. I know everything looks doom and gloomy right now. I know the market looks very red. The market is dumping to Goblin Town. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market. But guys, as a long-term investor, that's what you expect deep in the bear market. You don't want to expect to see the market pumping to higher prices and people say, you know what, buy will get rich. No. Deep in the bear market, there's going to be a lot of fear. There's going to be a lot of uncertainty. But your number one job is to block out all those noise and do what's best for you. The last time we saw Solana dropping to as low as $8, I'm sure a lot of people would have said, you know what, Solana is done, it's going to zero, will continue dumping to Goblin Town. But what happened immediately after that? Solana rallied up by 250%. That should be a lesson to us. You want to buy when the market's in extreme fear, and you want to sell when the market starts seeing extreme greed. Now, what will happen to Solana if we start seeing extreme greed in the next few weeks? I'll not be shocked to see Solana make a reversal, just like we saw in the start of the year. Solana can easily pump to higher prices, but where I see us facing major bear market resistance might be when we get to that $30 region. Now, we're still deep in the bear market. There's no argument about that. If Solana start rallying towards that $30, $36 region, that will see us pumping by around almost 100% from where we're currently trading. And let's not get carried away. This bear market can be very long and can be very brutal. If you take a look at what Solana has done since when it was launched, but basically since Solana go up only till the bull market ended in November of 2021, and we've seen Solana dump down only right now in this bear market. I believe we've done the harder part of this dump in the bear market. Now we're going to go through the motions of where we'll be moving sideways, where there will be a lot of boring stuff. Guys, the last bear market saw altcoins not finding their bottom till they were dumping for around 800 days. Right now in this bear market, how long has Solana been dumping? We have been dumping for around 589 days. So if history repeats itself, we have about 211 days still in this bear market. But it's not all doom and gloom for Solana. We're deep in the crypto bear market, and long-term investors are still accumulating slowly. If you want to join those long-term investors accumulating, guys, one mistake to avoid is going all in too quickly. Yes, a lot of these altcoins are down 90, 95%. You don't want to go all in too quickly. We can easily see 30, 40, even 50% dumps to Goblin Town in the altcoin market. But deep in the bear market, you get good value for your money. So the solution to that is to dollar cost average into your position. Always keep some capital on the side so that in case we see those dumps to Goblin Town, you will be able to take advantage of those dumps. Let's take a look at some key details about Solana. The last 1 week has seen huge movement in the altcoin market, but Solana is still holding on to the 10th position. Solana is currently ranked 10th on CoinMarketCap, and over 1.8 million people have Solana on their watch list. With a fully diluted market cap of $8.4 billion, Solana is currently going through its first full crypto bear market. And if you want to get some for yourself, getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on KuCoin, on Coinbase, on Kraken, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on Bitstamp, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market right now, which history has shown us over time has been a good time to accumulate altcoins. And the altcoin season index, this is an index that shows us whether Bitcoin is performing better than altcoins or altcoins are having the time of their life. And right now, it's telling us over the last 6 months, Bitcoin has been holding on strong. The last alt season we saw in the market was in September of 2022. Since then, we have seen altcoins suffer heavily. Was Solana trading in September of 2022? Guys, Solana was trading around the $40, $45 region. But since then, Solana has dumped aggressively to Goblin Town. If we see Solana recovering with the rest of the altcoin market, if we see altcoin season happening in the next few months, we can easily see altcoins pumping to higher prices. And I believe Solana will shock a lot of market participants. If you take a look at Solana's performance against Bitcoin also, huge dump to Goblin Town, that's to be expected. The last 1 week saw a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when people are scared, they run towards safety. And safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and it's Ethereum. And that's why you saw Solana lost so much value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum over the last 1 week. But as we continue accumulating Solana in this bear market, we still expect to see it outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum at some point in time in the bear market. If we take a look at Solana's market cap, we dumped back to the $5.4 billion level. And luckily for us, we found support at that region. If we had lost that level, we might see Solana dropping to the $3.1 billion level. But right now, it's all looking din and dandy. Right now, it's looking like Solana can easily start pumping to higher prices. But guys, don't forget, we're deep in the bear market and crazy things can happen in the bear market. So always keep some capital on the side. Never go all in. This bear market can be long and boring. Your number one job is to survive the bear market if you want to get those big pumps to the upside at the end of the bear market. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.